How to install Skyglass on Firestick. So, first make sure Firestick is connected to your internet or Wi-Fi. Go to Firestick settings and then My Fire TV or device and software and go click developer options and turn both options on. If you do not see developer options, you just have to navigate to settings, My Fire TV or device and software and then head over to about and then keep clicking the device name until you see You're Now a Developer pop up. After that, the developer options menu shows up like normal. You might also want to click update while on the screen to make sure your Firestick is up to date. So this is how it should look like. Now, press home button and go to the search tab and type in downloader or press Alexa button and say downloader. Install the app and open. Once open, type in www. The link of the download for the Skyglass app and then the website to then pop up in here. So scroll down with circle on remote to the downloads button. Click the downloads button, then scroll down to the Firestick logo with gold app and click the image. And then click it to start downloading the app. Then next screen will ask you to install. So click on install. For new Firesticks or 4K Max, you might have to go back once the downloader is installed, and when you go to install the app, you'll get this picture below. Simply choose settings, then turn downloader on by going to it and pressing center circle button, and then press back once and reinstall your app. And that is how you can easily download and install Skyglass on Firestick.